In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo on the Akita shotgun in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go into your gunsmith, go to the customize tab and into the camo section where you're going to see all of your zombies camos. Select the zombies tab and this is all the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to Infestation. Now the first 9 camos right here are going to be your military camos, and these are just 1,000 point blank kills with the Akita, and this is actually super easy to go and do. What I would recommend doing is spawning in with this weapon on a survival map. In fact, for all these challenges, unless I say otherwise, we're going to play survival maps. But essentially, just kill zombies within close vicinity to you, and you'll knock these out quickly. I did a round 50 run and was able to knock all of these out. I would highly recommend just playing to round 50 and exfilling, and you'll knock these out. This is going to be what takes the longest, though. From here, we can move on to our special camos. The first one is Mutilate. This is just 10 kills without taking damage 5 times. So that's just 50 kills total, and the strategy for this is just to train up a bunch of zombies and kind of keep your distance just a little bit and spray into them. Luckily, the shotgun is extremely good, and that makes this very easy to go and do. If you are having any issues, play in an earlier round, though, and it'll help you out. For Slither, you have to go ahead and equip Napalm Burst and then get 300 eliminations. The best way to do this, and keep in mind it just was changed. It used to be you had to get 300 kills with Napalm Burst itself, but now you just have to go ahead and have Napalm Burst equipped, and when Napalm Burst does activate, that's when you go ham and get your kills. Every kill that you get as soon as Napalm Burst is active is going to count towards this, which makes it super duper easy. This should only take, 3 to 4 activations max. And from here, we can move on to Pathfinder, which is just another 300 point blank kills. So do the exact same thing that you did for these military kills, and it'll knock it out. From here, we move on to Golden Dragon, which is just 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the Akita. This, once again, is actually not too bad to go ahead and knock out. Rapid kills are super easy in the shotguns. Just train up the zombies. It's 150 kills total. Bang, 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 bang. You'll take them out pretty easy. It should only take, 2 rounds max. I was able to knock this out in 2 rounds. Keep in mind, past round 20. For Bloodstone, you first have to get Golden Dragon on 3 shotguns. After doing so, you can go ahead and move on to this, which is just 20 or more consecutive kills without taking any damage. So it's just 20 kills without taking damage 5 times, which is 100 kills total. Train up zombies, do the exact same thing that you were doing for Golden Dragon, and you'll knock this one out quickly. It's super easy past round 20. Just focus on Ravengers. If they run towards you, take them out ASAP, and especially if it's like a bear round, I wouldn't even prioritize this until after taking out the bear. For Doomsteel, you have to go ahead and unlock Bloodstone on 30 weapons before getting the opportunity to do this. But after doing so, go ahead and load into Ashes of the Damned, and what you're going to want to do is get past round 16, and after you do get past round 16, all you really need to go ahead and do is kill that first Cercer that spawns in, and after you take out that Cercer, run into the fog. Every 2 to 5 minutes after round 16, you're going to have another bear spawn in. Go ahead and take out those bears, and you just got to take out 9 more of these. Now, keep in mind, it does get hectic in there. You don't have to stay in the fog the entire time. The fog is just a very easy farm method to knocking this out quickly. From here, just get Doomsteel on 30 weapons and you'll knock this out, and get the Infestation camo. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.